just emptied your pee bottle.
Yeah.
Did you sleep well?
Wasn't the best night's sleep, was it? But
It was awful.
it was a bit windy and blowy. It was a bit of a storm.
A storm.
Thought the tent was going to go over.
My whole tent was rocking. I was like, generally thought like that was it. I thought my life was going to be over. I've had about an hour's sleep. I've got to be honest. I hate tents. I hate camping.
What's wrong with you? Look at it. The sun's up. Beautiful day.
It's still cold.
It's not cold. Been had a shower.
The bit on mine with the shelter, I was told to put all of my stuff in because it'll stay dry. Everything's soaking.
Yeah, but look at your tent. Look how you put it up.
That's how you put them up, isn't it?
It's not like it's supposed to look like that in the morning, no.
What do you mean?
Look at everybody else's tents. They're all still pegged out properly. Yours looks like it's been. Well, I don't know what it looks like.
I think that's a good.
Right.
I thought that was a good job. Well, it's still up, isn't it?
Barely.
I ain't doing this again. Hotel rooms, mate. I'm going to make the coffee. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let me save you all the bother of saying camping. Whoever tells you it's a good idea, they're lying. It's awful. You go to sleep, it's windy, the whole tent rocks, you don't know what's going on, and then it rains and it sounds like the entire world is about to end, and then you wake up to walk on wet grass and basically cook on wet grass at the side of a tent. There is a plus side to it though, and the plus side is this. Well, after my morning beach stroll, as Batman, feeling super good. I've told the sidekick to stay behind and make the breakfast. Yeah, and apparently I'm going to eat poor person's food for the next week. But the most important thing, of course, is that we are doing this for the Rainbow Trust Children's Charity. There's a link to donate down below. Loads of people involved. We've got the Works channel here, Biker Buddy here, there's Mick here. Oh, there's Gaz here. It's crazy. And I know other people are going to try and find us. Obviously, Reg stayed in a hotel because he's sensible. Reg is the lovely old boy that's come on a Himalayan that literally every time we stopped to rode past us when we kept trying to get here, 530 miles. Today's awesome because today we're going to ride to Groats and then go to the northest point of Scotland. We're basically going to do a massive chunk of the NC 500. That's today's plan if all goes according to plan. So anyway, we go back, get some breakfast, pack this blinking tent up. I mean, why do camping? You've got to pack stuff away at the end. And then, finally we'll go on the bikes and let's go to the northest point. Let's tick the first part off of this charity trip, the northest point. Let's do it.
Yeah, mate. It's breakfast.
Have you thrown up?
No.
What's that?
Porridge, isn't it?
It's horse food.
That's what you got.
That was lovely, thanks mate.
You don't sound very sincere, mate.
Oh, it's fantastic. Best breakfast I've ever had.
Sure?
No.
Same again tomorrow?
No.
Why?
It's crap.
Well, it's better than going hungry.
Sausages, bacon, eggs. That's all you got to do.
No.
One job to do. And wash this up as well.
I told you before we went that's what's on the menu.
You can wash this up.
Hey, you can wash it up yourself.
So Joe, what was your night being homeless like?
You've been in a wind tunnel.
Yeah, I have actually. And were you rocking?
Yep.
See, apparently I put mine up wrong,
Right.
but I still did it right because it's still up in the morning. Biker Buddies didn't move at all. Literally stayed solid his tent the entire time.
Fuckers laying it, that's why.
But there was noise from there, weren't there? There was this like sucking noise. It was a bit weird. Anyway, I'm almost packed away. Are you packed away?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, cooking stuff.
And why haven't you made us breakfast?
How was your breakfast?
It's all, I had to pour it away. It was awful. It was. The guy doesn't know how to cook.
It's not the standard you used to.
Have you brought five more tins of that?
I've got another 3.
Oh, good. So one for me, one for you.
Yeah.
So you've just joined us. You're here golfing, fishing, but you had to come because you said you missed out on one of the trips.
I did on your last monkey bike ride. I was really disappointed.
But you're here now.
There was a reason for that, but I won't go into that. But I'm here now, and I wasn't going to miss this one. I'm here, and well, the weather looked bad, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to bring some good weather for you.
You did,
I
to be
can't do
honest.
anything.
Yeah, it was awful, didn't it? And now it's fantastic.
Yeah.
You've got your own channel as well.
Yeah, but I'm only a minor player.
But you've got one, and it's the hashtag Matlock Biker.
The Matlock Biker.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And you live in Matlock itself?
Yeah, I live right in the middle of Matlock Overlook. Yeah.
Well, there you go. Next time we come for an ice cream or fish and chips,
Yeah.
you'll be the man.
I'll be the man.
Be the man. Right, we'll get on the road
Brilliant.
and we'll go to the Northwest Point. And then we can just gather round. About 5 seconds this is going to last. Gather round, touch me. Right, so 6 months ago I came up with this plan, and we're all here, and we've raised so far 1,000, nearly 700 quid. So thank you for everybody coming here and being here. The most important thing about today is though, it's a postcode thing. So if anyone gets lost, at the end of the day the postcode's there. But obviously we're going to John Groats and Northwest Point. But it's just have fun. If people can't keep up with other people, don't put yourself under any pressure. Just have fun. That's all we're here for. So shall we hit the road?
Yes.
Well, sidekick, I don't know about you, but I am humbled. We've got a load of bikers with us. This is day 2. It's just rocked my world, and we're heading first. John Groats?
Yeah, Johnny Groats first, definitely, and via a petrol station because I think everybody is a bit low on fuel.
So John Groats, via a petrol station. We'll all have a massive man hug there, no touch mode, you know, dingly danglies, and from there on to Northwest Point. This is like the proper first day of the adventure, isn't it? Day 1 was like getting here, it was a big day, but now we're on like the big part.
Now we actually get to go and see Johnny Groats and the northern part. Yeah, like you say, it's part of the adventure now, rather than just getting here and still, to be honest, I'm still feeling a bit tired. It wasn't the best night's sleep, was it? But today's going to make up for it.
Exactly, this is what we're here for. But we're doing well, we did an amazing day, amazing amount of miles yesterday. But anyway, today's the important day. I can't wait. I just can't wait to even get just off of this little bit. But the roads are going to be amazing. It's Scotland, it's got to be amazing. as we're heading more and more into the Highlands and we're getting closer and closer, it's probably ages yet until we get to John Groats, but as we're getting closer and closer, my pan has been a legend so far. This morning it showed its arthritis roots and made like a really weird grindy noise as it pulled off. How about yours? How's yours doing?
Yeah, no, I mean, it's doing all right, but yeah, like I say, this morning I pulled it off the stand and rode it off the grass where we parked up onto the pavement, and yeah, it made a few funny noises. But yeah, like you say, I think it's just old age, and it's like when you get older, you get out of bed, you make a few funny noises. We'll put it down to that.
Yeah, we won't put it down to anything that we might have done wrong when we've been servicing and doing stuff to them at all.
We're not going to be thinking about stuff that goes wrong yet, are we?
No. And look, dude, to the right of us, the beautiful coastlines follow again.
This is a lovely road, isn't it? Obviously we've ridden this before, so we know where we're going, and this is a lovely ride ahead of us.
It's just all gorgeousness now.
Beach there, and yeah, it's fantastic.
Any naked ladies on the beach?
Not yet.
They must not know that I'm coming this time. Well, we've just made it to John Groats. That's obviously our first call of the day, and I can't remember how many miles it is now. Say about 70 from where we set off. Right behind us, everyone's here grabbing photos. John Groats. But if you remember last time I was here, I put a sticker on the board, so it's probably covered, but we'll go and have a look at the sticker. We did it. John Groats, ladies and gents. Yeah, no sticker anymore. Emotional.
Oh, there.
I can see a tear come out. He got there and he went and kissed it.
Where's the fireworks?
Well, they're later. It's coming the light.
Oh, right.
So, but later, fireworks, the ladies with the boobies.
Promises.
Yeah, well, I can put my boobies out. So far, John Groats, get some food, and then we're going to get to the Northwest Point. We're getting there. We are getting there. First checkpoint, no, that North Point, to get that first one ticked off. That's what we want. So, Gaz, you're the expert. You're the guy behind the Facebook group, and you know the pans.
I like to think so.
So it would be fantastic if you gave your review of which pans are best between me and the Psychic. Obviously the Psychic's first. It'd be rubbish because it's his.
Yeah, track panels, bad colour, wrong colour, white, overall tatty front end awful, innit? Them
Yeah.
forks, bad job them.
Oh, it's Bod's job, wasn't
Bod's
it?
job,
You had to
yeah.
go and buy it off of someone else.
Yeah. Overall.
If you were going to rate it from out of 11, where would you put this one?
3, 4.
Do you reckon it's worth a 4?
Fork, it's got stickers on it. Yeah. There's no puddles underneath it, but then again, there won't be. It's a pan. I looked after one.
Would you buy this one?
300 quid.
300 quid. This is a £300, 4 out of 11 bike. Right, let's look at mine.
Right, this is stunning. 11 out of 10 straight away. It's gorgeous black. Rare colour. Batman stickers, you know, an extra point.
And the right colour.
And the right colour. Yeah, tidy. Yeah, not scrubbing. still up there, like. But it's got the matching factory top box. Plus points.
So I'm pretty sure you'd agree with me that my pan is the best. Not just that, value-wise, 11 out of 10. It's probably worth more than what it was new.
Yeah, I doubt that, but
We'll say it's worth 20 grand now.
yeah, you can say it's worth 20 grand, but yeah.
If I advertise it for 20. But there we go. Mine's the best. This is the man that knows.
11 out of 10.
Fantastic.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way